guys, well, you know it's the Madwhitejamaican. I'm doing a well overdue video, and it's in response to the Target Chic. You can click the link here. That's going to be her video. I'm going to put it right here. Her video. Or you can just look at her. She's pretty high. Alright, I'll get to the details.
We get a nice girl beside you. You get a nice girl beside you. She's cute. That girl is cute. Wow. Girl is cute. The eyelashes is beautiful. You hear them? Your ear is fluffy and nice. Hello, sir. You're handsome, so you know straight, you know. I like your straight nose. I like your straight nose, you know what I mean, man? And my girl, I like your fluffy eyes, and you know, I like everything on you.
Last time in Jamaica.
Yes.
To tell you the truth, it's been a while. I'll be honest with you. It's been about a good 3 years.
You feel Clint Eastwood do it. You resemble Clint Eastwood.
Next weekend.
You resemble Clint Eastwood.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday. I'll be there from Friday to Sunday. I have a party in Angel, Spanish Town, the crowning of Lisa Hype, so make sure when you're there.
You're kidding me? Yeah, she's great, she's great.
Make sure you are there.
I'm going to sexy. I'm going to get it out. Yeah.
October 15 in Angel, Spanish Town. Make sure when you're there.
You resemble Clint Eastwood.
But 3 years ago was the last time I was in Jamaica.
You kidding?
One Jamaican dish you enjoy. To tell you the truth, I love Johnny Cake.
You look cute.
Especially when you stuff it with bully beef.
I
do like rundown a lot.
I like.
Fried breadfruit.
I like.
Breadfruit.
I like.
The good thing about roast
I like.
try to get fried breadfruit the next
Oh
day.
my
Love it.
God.
Can't tell a lie.
She look like Oprah. This girl look like Oprah.
This resembles my culture.
Yes. You look like Oprah, my girl. You're so beautiful. I look nice.
Right here.
She look like Oprah. Hug her up for me now. She look like Oprah.
And also, this shirt. It has nothing to do with Jamaica, I understand that. However, I do play.
Number 9, we're going to buy the cash pot.
I'm going to get number 9.
I'm going to buy the cash pot. I'm going to buy the cash pot. I'm going to win $1 million.
You're the star player. Like Messi.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
Messi.
When you coming down?
Alright, it's like.
Oh, come on, come on.
But I actually gave them 0 and I can't tell to save my life.
Man, you look so cute. I like your nose. I like your nose. I like your nose, not your finger, your nose. And I like her ear.
No, not anything.
I like your nose and I like her ear.
Which part of Jamaica you come from? No.
I'm in Jamaica right now.
That's from Jamaica. Can look at me and say, alright. Is that I'm come from German town? No, I didn't come from
I'm a Jamaican.
So that narrows down to
I am a Jamaican.
Constance Spring, Norbrook.
Yes. St. Mary. I'm from St. Mary, man.
Well, to tell you the truth, I am from Seaview Garden. I'm from Seaview Garden.
You know what I like? What are you?
I spent a little time in Port Norman.
Yeah. Alright.
No.
I want to come back from my country and get some swim soup. Jungle soup, you want to get jungle soup. I want you to come and get some jungle soup, man.
No, to tell you the God honest truth,
yes.
I'm from Norbrook.
You're kidding?
The street from Constance Spring. I actually
come on, man.
To buy some pasties, patty, many
times. I love master, the bread about it.
Me not cook. Alright? I would like to cook.
Here it is.
I found it.
Nobody cook because patty did it for you same way. Everything is here for you same way, yes. This girl is nice beside you. She's beautiful,
Good, come here. Alright, good for you.
Oh, you can't leave me already.
No.
Don't leave me, man.
Which part did you come from?
I'm from St. Mary.
Oh, skip one.
Yes, and she can get some jungle soup. I'm going to remember business and splash up, man.
Well, let me do something in there if you got.
She's cute.
Oh, favorite Jamaican.
Oh, she's so nice. Come down to the kids, you know, we're ready for you now. Am I here with you? They're not here with you.
If any of you ever hear that, or never hear it below,
put it down there.
Put it below.
I bet you don't get no comment whenever you hear that thing.
Nobody else don't hear that.
Me say, me attack patwa, no, me want. Am I here with you?
What do you mean?
Am I here with you?
You don't.
One cocoa. Are you serious?
Well, you know about one cocoa basket. Oh, you know that. Who told you that?
Alright, next.
Sorry.
Alright, how about
It's
this?
not from town, so it's
Hot, dead, and cold.
It is. rows across. What will I hear? And Jimmy can say many rows across. Jimmy can say many rows across. Cross the river, man. Jimmy can say that. Jimmy can say many rows across. Remember, Jimmy can say many rows across.
Just sorry, I have a German Shepherd trying to play with my
Come on, man. You know straight. I know straight, sir.
Jamaicans are so mixed like me, as white as I am.
You don't white.
My family members.
Come on.
And I have
Your girlfriend is so beautiful. Look at her eyes.
English, white, and
yeah.
everybody that welcome into the family is just with that family and that color.
Don't watch color, man. The mind. You know what I mean, man? The mind.
Alright.
She's beautiful. Are you handsome? When are you coming down?
And yeah, that's it. Anything more to add to the Jamaican time?
Yeah. You're so cute.
Alright, well that's it for the Jamaican time.
Wait, enough girl I don't want you.
Visiting me here.
Yeah.
Favorite part about
enough girls want you and the man want her. Enough girls want you and the man want her.
Everything.
Enough girls down here. Enough girls want her and the man want. Enough woman want you, man, and the man want she.
Alright, everybody, I hope you guys are having a great time.
No. Hurry up and come down.
Like I said, please, by all means, do a Jamaican tag video. It'll, what will it do?
I don't know, it's fun for me.
It was fun for me,
It was fun for me. Nice seeing you.
Yeah.
You're handsome and she's attractive.
What you would like to see Madwhitejamaican cook?
Yes, that's a good one.
And we will have him cook.
Yeah.
And if you don't believe me, I can't.
And then we'll have a video of him cooking it. If it's Johnny Cake you want to see, Matt. The beloved Johnny Cake with Willie Bees.
The Johnny Cake. Johnny.
Yes.
What you know about that, girl? What you know about that?
Famous Jamaican Johnny Cake. Anyways, take care. See you guys.
And Django soup down here. Django. The shrimp we call it. The shrimp we call Django.
Just to let you know, I am working on some movies right now.
I am working on you. I'm working on you.
Because the producers, I don't.
I'm working on you, man. I'm working on you.
Like that. But you ride with clappers.
No, clappers on Christmas time in Jamaica.
Goodbye,
Working on. Love you. Mwah.
Bye. Bye.
You, oh my God, James, no easy. I'm fucking, man. You think you